In this video, let's learn about how to hide columns and rows in Google Sheets on mobile. Let's get started. Open Sheets app on the mobile. The first untitled spreadsheet I have created in my first video. Let's give a name to this spreadsheet. Click on the three dots. Click on rename option. So I will name it as demo sheet and click on rename to save the changes. If you haven't watched my first video, watch the first video of Google Sheets on mobile. You will find link in the description box. Open your sheet. To hide columns, click on a particular column. For example, I want to hide C column. Click on the column. To the right side, you will find two arrows. Click on the arrow and drag till the end of the next cell, that is B cell. Now you can see column C is hidden. In this way you can hide columns. In the similar way, to unhide, click on the cell and again move back it to the right side. So this is my hidden cell. Just drag it and drop it. Now let's learn to hide rows. In the similar way, click on any of the row. For example, I want to hide row number 7. You will find two arrows up and down. Drag it upwards and drop. Now you can see the cell is hidden. Again, click on the row, drag it downwards and you can unhide it. In this way, you can hide columns and rows in Google Sheets on mobile. To the left topmost corner, click on the tick sign to save the changes. That's all for this video. Hit the red subscribe button, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.